Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay nil. Mr. Mlambo. Thoughts on the game?
The champions are back. Those are my thoughts. Hey, Mara, it was a difficult game. Like games of 2 halves. Kakulu pela Richards Bay. Masegio Peli game was on top of us. You understand? But it's him in look manager. And I told you, I wanted coach. I keep someone up in the middle of the park. Because Relay was not here. Apaguchabatan is valley pass in it. Because Richard Bay were high. Uspisi was making mistakes. But I think in Tangas, it's only 3 points. Sundowns is feeling us now.
Yeah. And then Tanga during first 20 minutes in Tanga, Richards Bay all over us. You know, I was trying to figure out what could be the problem here. It was very difficult. What do you think was the problem?
I think Tanga Richards Bay is good in terms of playing. Because Bayakon, okay, first 20 minutes, they were not too good than us. Because not is Zami but Sahi again. I think Richards Bay, it was good in Tanga. It was good.
Yeah, it was good. And then we saw some of the individual performances, Mr. Mlambo. Let's talk about Poli. After Poli will get Tumbat.
And Poli Mina is my man of the match. Tanga Police doesn't lose the ball. Our police doesn't lose the ball. Always on point, always trying to make one touch. That guy, Agna space, is creating the space, is giving Mahup one touch. Our police it's a diamond for us, and then it's a potential payoff the season. Mark my words.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I know it's too good in Tanga, it's too good. And then can you talk about Mbata as well in Tanga?
Talent Mbata owns the arena. When Talent Mbata is having the ball, the arena yonki yatuli ampera. You know why? Because Talent Mbata can intensity ye game. We are going to yehlisa. If Mela news are going to win. First half na la pompeta toli space gone. Ati two. By save, but like that's what we need. That's why when you tell the coach, you would say, I would say I'm on to Masin. But we have Umbat. We understand Mbata gives us something. Umasin Daranga Skyon. Which is we want to win the league now. So we need players like Abombat.
Yeah. And then obviously Mamelodi Sundowns won yesterday in Tanga. We had to retaliate today, Young Tola. Do you think it will go down to the wire?
I don't care about Mamelodi Sundowns, Mina, to tell you the truth. I always tell you about that. Mina, I care about Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates must make sure with each and every game we win it. We don't care about them. But now mind the pieces up. But you know what we can do, we score the goals, Maswatola. And I'm disappointed at Gurev Kintanga today. He was making bad decisions. We got a penalty. There was a penalty on Bitsuma, Mekmelai Chache, couldn't charges. But like in Tangamina, I'm focusing on Orlando Pirates. I do not care about Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah. No, thanks, Mr. Mlambo. Wopa.